So today we will discuss about the arbitrage. What is arbitrage, and understand how it will work in the foreign exchange market. So what is arbitrage? Basically, first we will understand the meaning of arbitrage first. Arbitrage means simultaneous buying and selling of foreign currency with the intention to make profit. So arbitrage means what? When you buy and sell the foreign currency immediately, simultaneously you buy and also you sell the foreign currency with the intention to make profit. This process is known as arbitrage. Now, leave it apart from the foreign exchange market. Let us take a simple illustration for understanding this concept of arbitrage. How this act, what is actually arbitrage, that we will understand by taking a simple illustration other than the foreign exchange market. How this arbitrage will work, let us understand. See, there are two market. Let us take example. For our example, let us consider there are two market A and market B. In nearby surrounding only, you assume that there are two markets in your nearby surrounding, market A and market B. Let us assume that both are vegetable markets. Okay, there are two markets, vegetable markets in near surrounding. Vegetable market and vegetable market A and vegetable market B. Now, in vegetable market A, potatoes price is 1 kg is costing, let us assume 30 rupees. In market A, 1 kg potato you can purchase for 30 rupees. In market B, 1 kg potato is selling for 35 rupees. See, now both these markets are in the nearby premises surrounding only. Let us assume it is a little bit far from each other. So in market A, 1 kg potato you will get for 30 rupees, and in market B, 1 kg potato it is selling at 35 rupees. Now you come to know about this difference in market A and market B. Now, both are not very far away, and transportation cost will not also be that much high from going to this market to that market. In this situation, what action can be taken is that you can buy potato in market A at 30 per kg, and you can go and sell this potato in market B at 35 rupees per kg. What you have just done, you have bought in market A and you have sold immediately, simultaneously you are selling in market B. We have assumed that they are not very far away, transportation cost is not very high. Okay, so let us assume if you will buy at 30 per kg and sell here at 35 per kg, so obviously 5 rupees profit you will get, no, per kg. Okay, like that, if you will do transaction for 100 kgs, so you can make a profit of 500 rupees accordingly, how much kgs you transact. And let us assume that transportation cost is 3 rupees. So still you can make 2 rupees as the profit. Okay, transportation cost is a very important factor you have to take into consideration, because if transportation cost exceeds this profit, then there is no worth in doing an arbitrage transaction. Okay, now what you have observed here, you have just taken the advantage of the difference in price in the two markets and just made a simple profit. No efforts and is not taken by you. The efforts and all is not taken by you. Only you have bought in market A and sold in market B. So this process of making profit by selling, buying in one market and selling immediately simultaneously in other market is known as arbitrage. Okay, you are buying in one market A and you are selling in market B. By taking this difference in price, provided that the transportation cost is less than the profit, which is that is the difference in price, then you can still make profit. So this process is known as arbitrage transaction. Now, very important, like you came to know about this difference, like many people would come to know about the difference. So what will happen? Demand in market A will increase because everybody will purchase from the market A, and here in market B supply will increase. Okay, here demand will increase, here supply will increase. So what will happen automatically? You know that if demand increases, price will go on increasing. So at one point will come, and here in market B, since supply is increasing, its price will go on reducing, falling. Okay, you know, more supply, price will keep on falling. So what will happen, at one point of time, both the market's price will become equilibrium. At that time, there will be no arbitrage. Okay, understood. Here demand will increase, so price will go on increasing. And here since supply is increasing, price will go on reducing. And one point, both the market's price will be equal. Okay, so this at this point, there you have to stop the arbitrage. There will be no arbitrage. So this is how the arbitrage process will function. If there is a difference in rate in the two markets, provided that the transportation cost is less than the difference, you can do an arbitrage transaction and get a profit. Okay, now see what is arbitrage. Arbitrage means simultaneous buying and selling of a foreign currency. Okay, like foreign exchange currency you have to treat like commodity. No? If you are buying a foreign currency in one market and selling in another market, difference in price is there, then you can get a profit with an intention of making profit. So this process is known as arbitrage. The profit accrues due to difference between the different exchange rates in two different markets. So if there is a difference in exchange rate in two different markets, you can make an arbitrage transaction. For example, read this example. Read this example. For example, in London, the foreign exchange rate between pound and US dollar is £1 is $4, where in London market. While in New York, £1 is equal to $4.5. See, here there is a difference in price. In London, if you will buy pound, you will have to pay 4 rupees. Similarly, in New York, £1 is a dollar 4.5. So there is a difference. No? Now, if you will buy the pound in London market for 4 per dollar, $4, and sell in the New York market at $4.5, you can get a profit, no, of $0.5. So if you will buy the dollar at 4 from London and sell in the New York at $4.5, that is simultaneously buying and selling, you can get a profit. So like our normal example which we have understood, in a normal commodity market, similarly you can do an arbitrage in foreign exchange market also, provided there in two different markets there is a difference in rate. Okay, so how much profit you will get? You will get a profit of zero point 0.5 US dollar. You can get a profit. Now, what is an advantage of arbitrage is that arbitrage will lead to iron out difference, and it will make the price equal in all the market. Just now we have understood that in market which price is less, in that market demand will go on increasing, so ultimately price will increase. And in the market in which supply is high, its price will go on decreasing, and one point will come, price will become equilibrium in both markets, and at that point of time there will be no arbitrage. So arbitrage, you can say, leads to iron out differences in the rates between the two markets. Okay, we have seen, no, market A price was different, market B price was different. So what will happen in market A? Demand will increase, price will increase. In market B, supply will go on increasing, price will reduce. And in one point of time, both markets price will be same. At that time, there will be no arbitrage. And so advantage of arbitrage is what? Move towards creating a single world market. Okay. So theoretically, you can say arbitrage will help in maintaining same rate throughout the world. Okay, because in one market, if demand is high, price will go on increasing. Other market supply will be there. So one point will come, both price will meet each other. So at that time, you can say that there is an ironing out of differences in rates, and we will get an equal rates in foreign exchange market, or be it in any market also. So this is the concept of arbitrage.